Watercress has been farmed since the beginning of human existence. With its peculiar spicy taste, it's considered to be one of the most nutritious foods in the world. However, it's not only due to its macronutrients that watercress is beneficial for our health. It contains important vitamins such as vitamins K, C, and A, and minerals such as potassium in large amounts. Eating watercress regularly can help you in several different ways, such as it helps strengthen your bones. If you have fragile bones, it might be due to a vitamin K deficiency, since it's the vitamin responsible for calcium absorption, making it fundamental for our bone health. It can help you lose weight. Watercress is one of the vegetables with the lowest caloric value and the highest fiber quantity. It can help you feel full for longer, keeping you from eating more calories than you need throughout the day and regulating your bowel movements. It helps control diabetes. Watercress contains elevated amounts of alpha-lipoic acid, the compound that can increase our sensitivity to insulin and reduce our blood sugar levels. When you include this vegetable in your diet, it can keep you from developing diabetes or control the disease if you already have it. It prevents cancer. Specialists believe that eating watercress can help prevent several different types of cancers, including breast cancer, and also protect our healthy tissue during radiation therapy. It fights respiratory diseases. Due to the large amounts of vitamin C in its composition, watercress can greatly help our immune system by preventing several different types of diseases, such as colds, the flu, and other respiratory problems. It reduces blood pressure. Since it's rich in potassium and magnesium, watercress can also reduce blood pressure. These nutrients act as vasodilators and relax our blood vessels. It improves digestion. Vegetables like watercress are rich in chlorophyll and contain a good quantity of enzymes that can help absorb nutrients and improve overall digestion. If you don't really like the flavor of watercress, one way to consume it is through juices. Here's how to make watercress-based juices, which are excellent at treating and preventing respiratory problems, boosting your energy, and strengthening your immune system. Ingredients: 2 oranges, 1 tablespoon of watercress, 1 spoonful of honey, 250 milliliters of water. Instructions: in order to prepare this drink, just blend all of the ingredients together and drink it right away. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.